हेलो दोस्तों, फ्लैट वाइजली आप सभी के लिए इंग्लिश AECC का सेकंड क्वेश्चन लेके आ चुका है। तो गाइस अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन। एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्पीच एंड राइटिंग, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ स्पीच एंड राइटिंग रेस्पेक्टिवली। तो हम इसका पहला क्वेश्चन तो कर चुके हैं, अब हम यहाँ पे दूसरा क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं असाइनमेंट का। तो दोस्तों याद रखना कि आपको अपने फर्स्ट शीट पे जब आप ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन करोगे तो उस पर आपको एग्जामिनेशन रोल नंबर लिखना है, एज वेल रोल नंबर लिखना है, नेम लिखना है, सिग्नेचर और पेज नंबर सभी पेजेस पे आएंगे। और फ्रंट पेज पे यहाँ पे आपको जो नहीं लिखना है वो मैं बता रही हूँ, आपको गलती से भी पेपर कोड और सब्जेक्ट कोड नहीं लिखना है। वो सिर्फ हम जब असाइनमेंट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसकी फ्रंट शीट पे लिखते हैं। तो हम हमारा आंसर स्टार्ट करेंगे। Speech, language refers to the means of communication used by people. Speech is the expression of ideas and thoughts by means of articulate vocal sounds or the faculty of those expressing ideas and thoughts. Speech, address, oration, harangue are terms for a communication to an audience. An example of a speech is conversation between two people. Another example is the presidential address. Writing is the process of using symbols like letters of the alphabet, punctuation, and spaces to communicate thoughts and ideas in a readable form. Blogging publicly is an example of writing for an unknown people. A letter to a friend is also an example of writing for a targeted audience or a people. Writing is used to store information, make a permanent record, and for communication. It can be a pictograph or alphabet based. It has been a demonstrated variety of investigations that writing activities yield a number of intellectual, psychological, and emotional benefits to individuals. These benefits include improved memory function and greater feelings of happiness. डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्पीच एंड राइटिंग आर, तो पहले हम स्पीच का देख लेते हैं फिर मैं राइटिंग का बताऊंगी। Speech is usually transient unless recorded, and speakers can correct themselves and change their utterances as they go along. Speech is used for immediate interactions. Spoken language tends to be full of repetitions, incomplete sentences, corrections, and interruptions, with the exception of formal speeches and the scripted forms of speech, such as news reports and scripts for plays and films. Speech is usually a dynamic interaction between two or more people. Context and shared knowledge play a major role, so it is possible to leave much unsaid or indirectly implied. Speech can use timing, tone, volume, and timbre to add emotional context. Some types of vocabulary are used only or mainly in speech. These include slang, expressions, and tags like you know, like, etc. अब आते हैं राइटिंग पे। Writing is usually permanent and written texts cannot usually be changed once they have been printed or written out. A written text can communicate across time and space for as long as the particular language and writing system is still understood. Writing language tends to be more complex and intricate than speech, with longer sentences and many subordinate clauses. Writers receive no immediate feedback from their readers except in computer-based communication. Therefore, they cannot rely on context to clarify things, or there is more need to explain things clearly. Writers can make use of punctuation, headings, layouts, colors, and other graphical effects in their written texts. Such things are not available in the speech. Some grammatical constructions are only used in writing, as are some kind of vocabulary such as some complex chemical and legal terms. Advantages of speech: easy to understand. If the speaker delivers his or her speech on the basis of audience level, it becomes easy understanding. So the main advantage of speech are understandable. Time saving. Direct speech between the speaker and the listener saves time to communicate information. Good relations. Speech can help to develop the relation between the speaker and the audiences. It is possible to establish friendly relation among the parties concerned through direct speech. Cost saving. Direct speech saves money, but it does not require any device or writing instruments like pen, paper, computer, telephone, etc. Suitability. It is very suitable to communicate with both illiterate and literate people, but written communication is suitable only for literate people. Disadvantages of speech: inaccuracy. The main disadvantages of speech or inaccuracy is inaccuracy. If the speaker fails to understand the need of the audiences, speech becomes worthless. Complexity. This form of communication increases the complexity in the communication channel. If the number of audience is large, it is difficult to understand the meaning of the speech. Irrelevancy. Sometimes the speaker delivers an irrelevant speech which makes the audience displeasure or disgust. No record. Usually, no records are kept in this form of communication. So, speech cannot be sued as legal document unless it is taped. Lack of secrecy. In this form of communication, the important and secret information may be disclosed. Advantages of writing. If you have any document in written, then you can easily preserve it. You can easily access to written communication in future. The written document acts as a permanent record. When anytime you need it, you can easily access it from the preserved document. Written communication helps you represent complex matters easily. The written communication helps us present information clearly and accurately. We can circulate the written communication easily and effectively. All we have to enter the email address of every person to whom we want to send the document, and they will receive it at once. Disadvantages of writing. Written communication is less personal as compared to oral communication. That is why many of the people don't use it for sending emotional messages. For instance, a lot of people feel that it is better to send news such as getting a promotion, ending, and proposing a marriage, etc. in private. Writing is considered as ineffective if need to send emotional messages. As compared to other forms of communication, writing is time consuming. Writing requires enough of time, and if we are sending a letter, then it may take 2 or 3 days to deliver, while on the other hand, a message sent through telephone will take just a second to reach the destination, and then you are done. For reading a written communication, it is must for the receiver to know how to read. But if on the other hand the receiver is illiterate, then written communication is meaningless. That makes it ineffective. Sometimes due to complex words, the receiver won't be able to understand the actual meaning of the letter. That might create misunderstanding, miscommunication between the sender and the reader. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर ख़त्म होता है। अब ये असाइनमेंट भी हमारा ख़त्म हो गया इंग्लिश AECC का। होप सो आप जल्द से जल्द अपने असाइनमेंट्स पूरे कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अब बहुत कम टाइम रह गया है। तो जल्द से जल्द अपने असाइनमेंट्स पूरे कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें।